Welcome to JC's Stocks and Markets Podcast for December 26th, 2025. I'm JC. I've been investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. Every other week I publish a new idea on YouTube regarding new stocks or ETFs that I research. My intentions with these podcasts are to share my thoughts and opinions on some stock and ETF picks with an emphasis on dividend-paying securities. I'm only trying to help us both make a buck, not doing this for money from anyone. The opinions shared here are my own, and they're just that, opinions. Disclaimer, do your due diligence before investing in anything. And with that, let's go make some money. Stock we're going to look at today is QQA, Invesco QQQ Income Advantage ETF. It uses the NASDAQ 100 holdings and uses some covered calls and also some put strategies to increase income. It's an actively managed fund. It mirrors the NASDAQ 100 index, like I said, and they use equity-linked notes, covered calls, and put strategies to provide income and downside protection. One thing they do is they hold a good deal of treasury bills to offset the risk, but this one is going to do well in a stable market, up market, and a little bit down market, but it's gonna take a hit when Nasdaq goes down. I would suggest you go to the website, the Invesco website, and take a look at it real close if you're looking at investing in this one. This one's done well though, and we'll get to that on the next slide. On this slide, we have some of the basics of QQA. The assets are $483 million. The expense ratio is pretty low at 0.29%. Dividends, 9.73, which is a little less than some of the other ones, but I think it's a little bit safer just based on what I saw from the holdings. And you should look at the whole list of holdings in the prospectus and the other information that Invesco has in their website there. The payout frequency is monthly, and this has been around for about 15 months. This slide I wanted to show, they do hold the, this is the top 25 holdings, but they do hold the NASDAQ 100 stocks. But the top holding is the Invesco Premier U.S. Government Money Portfolio. Right now that pays 4.25%, which is safe investing, and it's a pretty good return. And like I said, that's why it makes this a little less volatile than maybe some of the others like this. And you're still going to get a pretty good return no matter what at 4.25%, plus the income you get from the calls and puts that they invest in. Next slide is the QQA dividends that they've distributed thus far. As you can see, it's between somewhere, it's around 42.5 cents per share per month, with a little bit of deviation, as you can see, especially in May or April. It was quite a bit lower, basically because the stocks took a real hit in April this year. But pretty steady and a little bit rising if you look at the trend here. Plus the stock, the share price is up a little bit. Pretty good return on this thing, probably about 10% overall. Last slide I've got for QQA is the recent chart. As you can see, it's a little over, it's at 43.5 bucks a share right now. I think you could probably get it a little lower, about 52.50. Just wait for a quick downturn here. And as you can see, it's starting to be overbought. So wait till it drops down into the lower levels of the Williams W plot, or percent Williams plot, and the stochastics down near 20. And you have a pretty good buy there. Plus you got a little less volatility in this one, in the Invesco QQA here, with about a 10% return. So it's not a bad dividend. With that, thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed. Take a look at it. Go to the Invesco website. I beg you to do that before you invest in this thing, so you understand what you're investing in. JC Stocks and Markets Podcast signing out. Have a happy holiday season and happy investing. Bye now.
I know I'm not that beautiful, but I know my way back home. Our love ain't purely physical, but I never have to roam. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. Yeah. All this time